got to be pushing 50 grand's worth of damage, isn't it?
Is it raining, or is it?
That was great. That's what he was kicking at, telling him not to go, wasn't he?
Yeah, he shouted to him not to go.
There's just a headlight, isn't there? That's probably what my dad would do if he had a few drinks. There's just his headlight in outlook.
I'm just watching for one of these to be taken by the current.
Are you recording it?
I am. I'm surprised one of these has been taken by the current yet. It's really strong.
Why's he left his lights on?
I won't bother turning my lights off. If I was trying to get out of the vehicle, I wouldn't think I've got to turn my lights off first.
I was just thinking about getting...
They'll die soon, will them lights?